Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create poll in WhatsApp. So actually guys, you just need to open up the chat that you want to create a poll on it or a group chat, and then all you gotta do is to click on that icon. It's beside the camera icon. So just click on it and then you will be presented with multiple options. I want you to go and tap on the poll option. After that, all you need to do is to fill the blanks or the following blanks. So you will need to start by asking a question. For example, we will go with what is your favorite car, and right here we will go with Audi, Mercedes, for example, and Porsche. Right then, when you're finished, just go ahead and tap on send. So as you can see, the poll has been created, and right now everybody on the group chat can vote. So that's it everybody, thank you so much for watching and goodbye.